Hello, mes amis! I'm glad to be here again. So, welcome back to Learn French with Queen. Is this the first time you tune into my channel or you see my video? Yeah, on this platform, this is what we do. We learn, and our learning encompasses these three basic aspects: the speaking, the writing, and the reading. So do it, like my video if you find it useful, share to loved ones, and the big one, to subscribe. So today we will be learning about some situational greetings. So it's not just the regular greetings that we used to have every day. Maybe you wake up in the morning and at night. No, there's some greetings that are just regular, like the good morning, good afternoon, good evening kind of greeting. Bye. They are regular every blessed day. But these are situational greetings. So they happen in our daily activities, but they are situational. So today we'll be learning these greetings and what they actually mean, or some response to the greetings. Okay, so these are some situational greetings. We have so many of them in French language, but we'll be looking at it gradually so that this will help spice up our daily activities and our conversations with our loved ones, our French tips. Okay, so let's start with bon travail. Bon travail. This simply means well done. So obviously, if you have someone doing something and the person is actually, for example, someone is doing an house chores, or someone is actually doing something strenuous or something, a kind of work, you can greet the person by saying well done, just to tell the person that, wow, I can see that you're really doing a good job, you're well done. So well done in French is bon travail. So next time when you see someone doing something, you don't need to sit down and watch the person. Just tell the person bon travail. Okay, so let's move to the next one. We have venez or viens manger. So this venez is simply used for an elderly person or a group of persons. This is simply used for just a person, and that person should be someone that you have rapport with, or someone younger than you, or your friend. So you can either say venez manger to an elderly person or a group of persons. So you can say venez manger or viens manger, which simply means come and join me. So you make do of this greeting while you are having your food. While you're having your food, it could either be your lunch, your breakfast, or your supper, whichever. So while you are having something, or you are even snacking, you can tell the person viens manger, come and join me, or come and eat with me. So when someone tells you come and join me to eat, the person tells you viens manger or venez manger, you can tell the person bon appétit, which simply means enjoy your meals. You need to have courtesy to some response, like viens manger. When the person asks you come and join me, you can tell the person enjoy your meal. And if really you want to join the person, you can say ça marche, then you join the person and eat. But if you are not ready to join the person, you can definitely tell the person bon appétit, which simply means enjoy your meal. So we have another one here. We have functions. So this simply means good luck. So basically we use this, maybe someone wants to undergo, or someone wants to write an examination. Okay, so it's not necessarily an examination only, it could also be a presentation or an interview. So these are possible things that when someone wants to go do this, you can just wish them a good luck by saying bon chance. I hope you start making use of that for anyone, colleagues, loved ones that you know want to have an interview, an exam or something. So let's continue. We have Félicitation, which means congratulations. So this is a common usage even in our dialect or our languages. So we use congratulations. So this is how to say congratulations in French, which means Félicitation. So we can congratulate someone who did well in an examination, or who just had a promotion, or who just gave birth to a bouncing baby, or whichever means of celebration. You can just wish the person Félicitation. So we have another one, which is bon voyage. This is specific. This is a greeting when someone is traveling. So bon voyage simply means safe trip. Have a safe trip or journey mercy. So when someone is traveling, do well to tell the person bon voyage. So let's move on. We have this bon anniversaire or bon anniversaire or joyeux anniversaire. Bon anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, which simply means happy birthday. So this one is a common one that most people use when they are celebrating their anniversary. So it could either be birthday or marriage anniversary. So for marriage anniversary, most times they are more specific. They will tell you anniversaire de mariage. So for you to know that it's a wedding anniversary. But at times they do use joyeux anniversaire, so the person knows that okay, it's my wedding anniversary, she's congratulating me on. That's why she's telling me joyeux anniversaire. And if the person is actually celebrating our birthday, the person knows that it is because of my birthday. This person is saying joyeux anniversaire. So you can use it interchangeably, either for your birthday or for a wedding anniversary. So these are possible greetings you can make do of. Whichever situation that demands any of these greetings, do well to make do of them. Don't just learn them, but practice them. Make use of them in your daily activity. I hope you find this useful. Do give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Share to loved ones who will find this content beautiful. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay? See you till next time.